Welcome back to infyGyan, my dear friends. In this video, we have another very interesting question from radical mathematics. Here we have to simplify cube root of 1 plus 4 times square root of 11 over 2 minus square root of 11 over 2 whole square minus 1. So let's get started by considering this expression equal to E. So E will be equal to cube root of 1 plus 4 times square root of 11 over 2 minus square root of 11 square is 121, 2 square is 4, minus this 1 we can write 4 over 4, so that our denominator will be common. Cube root of 1 plus 4 times square root of 11 over 2 minus, now we can write square root of 121 minus 4 in the numerator, in denominator square root of 4. In next step, I can write cube root of 1 plus 4 times square root of 11 over 2 minus square root 117 over 2. Now I will take LCM. So it will give us expression E equal to cube root of 1 plus 4 times square root of, I will write 11 minus square root 117 over 2. Now let us multiply in the numerator and denominator by 2. So here I will multiply with 2. So I need to multiply in the denominator by the same. So I can write expression equal to cube root of 1 plus 4 times square root of 22 minus 2 times square root 117 divided by 4. Further I can write cube root of 1 plus 4 over 2 square root of 22 minus 2 times square root of 117. Further I can write cube root of 1 plus 2 times square root of 22 minus 2 times square root of 9 times 13. This is 117. Now this 9 will come out from the radical as 3. It will be equal to cube root of 1 plus 2 times square root of 22 minus 2 times 3 is 6 square root 13. So this is our expression so far. Now I will consider 22 minus 6 root 13. Let me write here. Once E equal to cube root of 1 plus 2 times square root of 22 minus 6 square root 13. Now let us split 22 as 13 plus 9, it is 22, minus 6 root 13, or I can write cube root of 1 plus 2 times square root. Now 13 can be written as root 13 square, 9 can be written as 3 square, minus 6 root 13 we can write 2 times root 13 times 3. Now if I will check, it is one identity, a square plus b square minus twice ab, which will be equal to a minus b whole square. So I can write expression E equal to cube root of 1 plus 2 times square root of root 13 minus 3 whole square. Now square root and square will be over. So expression E will become cube root of 1 plus 2 times in bracket root 13 minus 3. Let me write here E equal to cube root 1 plus 2 times in bracket root 13 minus 3. Now I will expand, simplify. So I can write here 1 plus 2 square root 13 minus 6. So this will give us cube root of 2 root 13 and 1 minus 6 is minus 5. This is our E. Now I will consider cubing both sides and I will use Simon's favorite factoring trick. So let us consider cubing both sides. So cube root and cube will be over. I can write E cube equal to 2 square root 13 minus 5. Now multiply both sides by 8. So I can write 8 E cube equal to 8 times 2, 16 root 13 minus 8 times 5, 40. So LHS we can write it is 2E whole cube and RHS is 16 root 13 minus 40. Let us write here 2E whole cube equal to 16 root 13 minus 40. Now I will split 16 root 13 as 13 root 13 plus 3 root 13. And negative 40 I will be writing minus 39 minus 1. Let us rearrange. I will write 13 root 13, then minus 1, then minus 39, then plus 3 root 13. So I can write 13 root 13 as root 13 whole cube. This one I will be writing 1 cube. Here it is 3 times root 13 square times 1, 3a square b, and here 3 times root 13 times 1 square. So it is giving us one identity, a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square will be equal to a minus b whole cube. So I can write our RHS as root 13 minus 1 whole cube. Left hand side is 2e whole cube. Let us consider cube root both sides. So I will write 2e equal to square root 13 minus 1. Now I will divide both sides by 2 and we'll be having our answer square root 13 minus 1 over 2. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.